Hello everyone, este es Sebastián and a very warm welcome to my channel today. Every piece of advice in this video has been verified by the professional mechanics here at our shop. If this specific warning message appears while you're on a trip or out on the road, please know it doesn't necessarily mean your headlight is damaged or burnt out. It simply means that the system detected something unusual in the headlights or the electronics that control them. In many cases, the light works perfectly and the message appears as a simple system error. The mechanic at this shop just explained to me that this happens quite often after modifying the headlights or installing LED lights that aren't the original model. And because of this, the computer gets confused by the information it receives and flags a fault even though the light is working. That is why using components that are fully compatible with your model is the key to avoiding these types of alerts. Wait, hold on, don't go yet. Another thing many mechanics here at the shop point out is that dirty or wet electrical connection can trigger this message. When the headlight connectors have water, dirt, or are loose, the system thinks there is a problem, even if the light is working just fine. Cleaning and properly securing the connectors often solves the problem. In more advanced models with adaptive headlights or automatic leveling, the fault may stem from the position sensor or the module that controls the headlight's orientation rather than the light itself. This can make the system think the headlight cannot adjust properly, triggering the warning even if the light is working. Listen closely. If the message persists, many mechanics around here recommend using a diagnostic scanner to read the fault codes, as this helps identify whether the issue is actually with the headlight, a wire, a connector, or the vehicle's control unit. God willing, that's not the case. That way, you will know exactly what you need to check before you go ahead and replace any of the parts. And so, my dear friends, I truly hope that you have found all of this information to be quite helpful. I am certain that you will not find this on any other channel or social media platform out there. So please do leave a comment below if I have been able to help you out today.